In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly rattle can paint a hood. It is in the middle of the night and I am painting on grass. So this will not be the best cleanest paint job, but it is just to be able to cover up this metal and stop any rust from happening, and just having it all one color. I am going to be installing it on this car right here, so we're just going to be doing black. I've already cleaned this car front side. That's the first time I sprayed it. Backside is already painted black. This is what with the actual cleaning spray that I have. I highly recommend it. You can pick it up pretty much anywhere. This multi-purpose prop cleaner. It smells great, works amazing. What I like to do is just get a couple paper towels. Like I said, this is not the best paint guide, but it will get the job done. Because a little bit of paper towel is better than a bunch of body dust and grime and paint from 10 years. Rather the clean paper towel. So you want to make sure you're using clean parts of your towel as well, so you're just not dragging much dirt everywhere. Be smart with what you got. And pay a little bit of attention to the detail. Now, since you see this, still fairly shiny. We could go over this one more time with another paper towel, because you see this is pretty soaked. We're picking up most of this dirt still, but you will see more come off with that third pass, basically. You see it is pretty clean already. Let's go ahead and just do this side again. And basically we're just cleaning up the last little bit, and we're quicking up our wait time to actually get the paint on this thing. I did scuff this up with steel wool. I know I should be using a Brillo pad or something a little easier on the paint, but I don't have any right now. But you do need to make some tooth for this paint to stick for a little bit of time before we can actually get it worked on by a professional. You see this? Just do that. Don't worry about the rest. Already much nicer. Let's do these louvers. So these are homemade and these are factory. I actually know the guy that did any of this work. Unfortunately, I bought the car from his widow. So we're just gonna be putting this car together. I did tell the widow I'm gonna be driving it over and showing her this thing. I think she'll be happy with it. I am gonna make the car my own, but it will be a hot rod like you wanted. So I'm gonna get this hood painted black, like the back of this thing, and then get it on that car, just to help with overheating. I know it's not gonna be using it much. Literally, it's gonna be on the trailer, on the dyno, off the trailer, and it's gonna be taken apart. But it's gonna look pretty cool. We're just gonna see how it looks and play around a little bit.